Hello Jazers, be different, be unique, be exclusive. Stay away from drugs, alcohol, and tobacco. Le, news bon tak may reactor kan nei le ni. Apui do ne, tin bay tu bultran ngay ngay. Achan chu, kan huang hian no. ZPM Legal Department chuan, Mizoram Lok Ayukta Chairman, Pulalmal Soman Hena. Lok Ayukta a case, tangkang mekte, CBI chui tir turang yen na an thelu ta ni. Tlat may na, CBI General Consent pek le pek lo chung chang a hianin in hial na nasata ka om to ani tu depon in shevek chu wang chuanin khalam kha chu ka soi thui vak don lawa ama ero chu hei hi kan ria kang hei ZPM lampang hianin hetiang hianin ma an ron la chole tak sia chuan kan riek don ani hei hi a letter ani an va submit chu tin heta hianin kan chief minister hianin labor rule tura tama wangin komina bana kai handholding policy lian takin an kalpui thei don lo ti asoyani an kalpui thei don lo ati top lowa lian takin an kalpui thei don lo ti asoya hei hi chuna kina asan pa in kan riek leang he video a hi chuanin hemi lok ayukta ina case tangkhang me kan eite CBI chuitir tura ZPM Legal Department in ngen na an thelo hi kan riek don ani he letterin huang hianin saptrong vekin an ziaka no hei hi kan siaranga mizo tongin kan ron lele kan ron let le anga kan riek pa don ani voin July ni som paruk sang ni som ni pali apui do ne kan ti lelo kang apui rin ho zong khanin kuta comment section lamba hwanin apui do ne in ron ti ve don yo ale tara hianin to the chairperson Mizoram Lok Ayukta Government of Mizoram he application letter an vathon na hi chu achiang ani Mizoram Lok Ayukta an chairperson ani abak soi vaka ngai lo a subject a chuan prayer for refer and transfer the below mentioned serious complaints or cases to CBI for investigation. Hey himo a omje chu case serious tak tak te CBI chuitir turangen na tina ni mai han soi zawak ngai da pa omlo tikhan a simple theng ber chuan khakhania ta henin respected sir ron tiletani. With reference to the subject cited above, we, the legal department, Zoram People's Movement, do hereby submitted an application for refer and transfer the below mentioned serious complaints to CBI for investigation. And this application is for your kind consideration and necessary action. Sa tileni. Heta hianin na omje chu. Lok ayuktan hena hianin ZPM Legal Department in angen nate. Hemi application letter an thelo angen nate. Longai poi mo malaturin angen ani. Chu a omzia ani ber mai mizo tong chon mo ti hianin point sang sangin an then sanga point riat line an then sanga ni tuna a point ma saber hi kan khelang apakhana chuanin a english chu rang dewin ka soyanga mizo tong in cheng dem ka ron soilang pakhana chuanin that there are serious complaints cases related to misappropriation, mismanagement and irregularities pending for disposal before you, in which the interest of people of Mizoram and the state itself are at stake, and such cases are listed in the table below. We submitted this prayer for your esteemed authority to instruct the CBI for investigation into the complaints listed, as we believe every step in that direction would have a tendency to secure justice as well as improve the welfare of the people of Mizoram. Okay. Apoy number 1 ina. Asoy tumber chumo mizo tong chuan simple deu chuan heng case serious tak tak tuna application letter kan ron zia lan te hi CBI ina an chui hi dikta ka ro rel ani theina na ti ania hei po hi Mizoram mi pui du dan ani tengzong han an zia kan ni heng case te CBI chui tir ani chuan mizo mi pui ten ro rel na dik kan mu theina konga ke pen zel ang kan ni anti ani hei point number 1 ina aron soi tumber chu ani so ito ang hanin amasa video masalama po English an ron je hi mizo train kalo let photo thina ni hata hanin le sual le tiktok lo le kim tok lo kan ei khachonin comment section lampang hanin ron bel ro in thasung su ti chuanin in case tenge ZPM Legal Department hian in case tenge ZPM Legal Department hianin CBI ne na chui tura angen te hi apakhat na chuanin durtlang chaltang ropeway le sakor mui tuai Skywalk durtlang le chaltang inkara ropeway le sakor mui tuai tlanga Skywalk te ti chuanin heta hi chuanin 39 na hi chuanin khami ropeway le Skywalk ha aron mention le ti chuan heta hianin misappropriation of NABARD loan for construction or renovation of schools in Mizoram NABARD loan chung chang ani le apui do ne tin adang le chuanin mismanagement in the renovation works of Lengpui Airport. Lengpui Airport. Cute tak kan nei thei trap ma se nei le thei silo chungchang vel khani a pathum na hi chumo ti chuanin a case ma sabere hi enge status kan ti chuanin investigation pending with anti-corruption bureau chuan a case ma saber ka ti kha chu durtlang chaltang Ropeway le sakor hui toitlang Skywalk mo khami kha pending ani anti-corruption bureau tena an investigate tura khan ti chuan NABARD loan po investigation pending with anti-corruption bureau ain tia ti chuan lengpui airport chungchang he chuanin reply awaited ti ani khang heng case kan ron tarlan te hi ZPM legal department chuanin CBI ne na chuitir turin lok ayukta chairperson hi an nge na ni ti chuanin point pan hi na that above three mentioned complaints cases are serious nature which are immense irregularities, misappropriation, mismanagement, etc. It is noteworthy that referring the said complaints or cases to CBI for investigation would be the choice and better alternative of the people of Mizoram. If the investigation of the mentioned serious complaints or cases being frustrated, the people would lose confidence and trust in Mizoram Lok Ayukta and fail to serve its purpose of ensuring eradication of corruption in the state of Mizoram. Point panhina ina asoy tumber niya lang chu heng case serious tak te CBI chuitiran ni turhi Mizo mi puidu danjok ni na langa corruption do na ko nga Mizo mi puiten lok ayukta a rinna an nga zel theinan thildik lo ti tu te chu chui chuange ya tha ani kha ani le deuh mai ti chuanin apathumna kan kal leang apathumna hi chuanin Section 19 of the Mizoram Lok Ayukta Act 2014 chungchang ron soyani he danina asoi dan chuanin tharuk chunga thil hi chui zo turania ti chuanin Lok Ayukta hianin hemi tharuk hi apire ta hi apot sei theiani thathum chunga pot sei theya voile khata thathum chung dikhana ta tolin apot sei zel theya ma se apo sei thana kha ziakina record thap turani atiani amairo chu Ropeway le Skywalk chui thei hun chung hi azo to melani section number 3 point number 3 na ron soi hi chumo khatiang kha ani tuda palina kan kal leang NABARD chungchang ani palina hi chonin asoi tumber chu additionally the investigation in respect of atia NABARD chungchang ron soya has not yielded any fruitful result as far as investigation is concerned atia ti chuan lengpui airport chungchang hi chuanin has been pending for your esteemed authority for investigation which remains to be unprogressive till date. Progress ala omlutuk lawangin soyani. Je chu NABARD chungcha hanin du thu samang report al omlawa lengpui airport apo lengpui airport a investigation ti chungchang po hi a progress ala thalutuk lawani aron ti ni palina hian. Ti chuanin pangana since the said complaints or cases demand thorough and intensive investigation. We have full confidence that the CBI shall bring to light and uncover the truth, and if there is any involvement from the people who are or were in power, internal influence, if any, shall be successfully halted. Hence, in consideration of the cases and for the welfare of the people of Mizoram, it is our prayer that the responsibility for the investigation of the said cases should be given to the CBI. Okay. Pangana ina asoy tumtlang pui chumo. CBI-in an chui chu avek thei kan rin na kan nei an tiani mithil thi thei tak lo ni to emo lani mek emo in investigation a emo ti zonga in nam noi na po lo nei pal po ni se khang teng te po kha ati top don ani investigation mo phur na hi CBI ne na pek ngei chi ani tiani tuna point paruk na kan kal leang. It is worthy of your serious consideration whether some measure may be taken towards securing justice and punishing the persons responsible, which makes the said complaints necessary which are related to the misappropriation, mismanagement, and irregularities pending for disposal which you hold the power. We believe that the people of Mizoram will derive great benefits in the future for reliable government. Tichuan, point paruk na ina asoy tumber niya lang chu, rorel na dik kan hu thainan le thil dik lo ti tu te shrem thainan, thunei na inei hi. Eng ti kong zong emo mang thei ini ti hi hriain ngun takle uluk takin ingai to na seng turin kan nge na che tiang zong kha ani de uberin ka hria point paruk na hi chu heng thil hi lo lampang sentence an ya thil technical deu chu wang chuanin mizo tong le dik hi ini science background nei tan chuanin a har na chin hi om ve amaro chu ka thei to pa uluk chuanin ka chhir che kan zir chiang ve tiang khani tani tuna a pasari da kan leang. Your esteemed authority is conferred the power and jurisdiction under Section 19 of the Mizoram Lok Ayukta Act 2014. We are hopeful that our humble prayer would be accepted by your kind office and you will not hesitate in bringing justice. We firmly believe that the government of Mizoram would do its part in giving consents if the need arises. Aron titani. Helai taka hianin in hiala ka atsuak ta atsan chu mani CBI notification chuak thara khanin director khanin chuak dan turang khanin achua dan tur thleng khan aron shila an chua tamai ani notification thara chuanin state sarkar hnuaian hathok te kha chu CBI na chuidon chuanin Mizoram sarkar phalna alak zela ngai to dona khata tak khan politics a inbe na kha aron namta ani Mizoram sarkar hianin CBI consent pek lo ngai ta se apengam angem pengam lawangem ti kha kan ngai changang katimaya ke ma kha chuan an pek ngam po ka ringa ti chuanin number 7 ina aron soitumber chu kami dan section 19 of the Mizoram lok ayukta ek kan soi chung cha khan lok ayukta hi thunei na pekin ni ro rel na dik Mizomi puiten kan mu theinan kan ngin na tlom te hi min ngai poimo sak ngei kan be sei Mizoram sarkar point consent pe ka ngai chuan ati tur alo ti ve ang ti hi kan ring tlet ani atiani heta tak hianin Mizoram sarkar chuan consent pe ka ngai chuan ati tur alo ti ve ang ti hi kan ring tlet ani hei poi Mizomi pui du dan thawani consent hi apek ngei kan ringa kan be sia hei hi Mizomi pui du dan po nia tuna hianin ZPM legal department lampang hian chui turin an han ngen ta sarkar po hian consent apek ngei po arin omani ti chuanin point number pariat na atobera chuan in view of the facts and circumstances of the matters referring and transferring of the state complaints cases to CBI for investigation is at most necessary for ensuring eradication of corruption, complete justice and fairness for the welfare and interest of the people of Mizoram matitani. Corruption hi nuaibo azung ne na phoro wani theinante investigation fair taka kalpuyan I theinante Mizoram mi puiten ro rel na dik kan mu theinan heng case serious tak application letter kan ron zia te hi CBI chui tir hi atul le in country ani an ron tita ani ti chuanin atop na hemi paragraph to ber na hi chuanin tuna karon soyang tho khan khang case te kha corruption noi bo ni theinan te Mizorama Mizomi puite tan ro rel na dik kan mu theina tura tan te CBI chui tir ngei turin kan nge na che tinang khani de umai ti chuanin ZPM legal department na hianin puwanlal siam apuzo le pulun numai secretary an sign ve ve ni heng te hi ani voina news hot de chumo mi pui te khan enge ingai dan ron comment ve ro politics a in beina anasa he thilawang hianin mitam takin kan chief minister kha dot soya an puwa dot soi chuin an chua kha chu zep thua cheng lo in muvekin ka ria khami kha chu soi theilu tu bok an big lowa achan chu CBI directorate notification chua dan tur ron shila an chua kha ni maya ti chuan case thui lo ngai ta se Mizoram sarkar hian CBI hena consent apetak tak ngamangem ti kha zona om ta ni to la hian ZPM legal department lamin an han nge na he an ngen na hi Mizoram lok ayukta lampang hianin an lo pompui chuan CBI na chui ngai don ta chuan CBI na chui don chuanin CBI in chui turin lo ti tang se khata tak khanin Mizoram sarkar consent kha alak angai mela engemo chuan khata tak khanin Mizoram sarkar ZPM kai shuai Mizoram sarkar khan consent apek ngei po arin oma angai nom chodon khomei nimin lama heta purobard romoi roi te point ZPM how to te enge dot soi soft copy hard copy dot hal program kan neyang aron tia khapo kha boruak khop mai ni apui do ne kan tia hei voin lama ZPM lamin thuan ron nei le tlat maya hei po hi apui do ne nakina engtin nge awom chauzel kan lo thiranga Mizomi puin kan lo ngai ven vek do na ni apui don khop mai puin ti vem khami kha comment section lampanga ron comment ro ke jonin apui do ne ti kha hemi video khanan kan mangyo ole video like ani mole theu do nia. Be different, be unique, be exclusive. Stay away from drugs, alcohol, and tobacco. Zule muam. Zule drugs telewin shing nun hilim takin man theya. Khovel po du tok in a chen thei ni ti kha. Kan shenon le theu don yo.